Hey guys, welcome back to another Arduino beginners project. Today we're going to be making a touch sensor password security system. We're going to be needing the touch sensor, the Arduino Uno, and some jumper wires and some other few more components. So I'm going to be explaining the code. I'm going to be walking you through all the steps you're going to need to make this project. I'm going to be explaining everything you're going to need, and I'm going to be showing you the code that you're going to they are going to use for this project. So without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, these are the components we're going to be needing for this project. We're going to be needing the breadboard, the Arduino Uno. We're going to be needing the touch sensor. We're also going to be needing the buzzer. And we're going to need the RGB LED. And some resistors also. We're going to need some resistors so the RGB LED is not going to burn out. And finally, we're going to need some jumper wires. So next is the wiring setup, and this is the wiring setup we're going to be using for this project. So if you take a close look at this wiring setup, I know it might look a little bit messy, but if you take your time and take a close look at this wiring setup, you should be able to get every single place the wire are connected to. So just take your time and you're going to get everything. So to make the wiring setup more clarified and more understandable, I've drawn some modules. So this is the touch sensor module. As you can see, the first pin is GND, the second pin is VCC, which is going to 5 volts on the Arduino Uno, and the third pin is signal pin, which is going to digital pin 2 on the Arduino Uno. And as you can see, the second drawing is the RGB LED. The first one is red, the second one is GND, the third one is green, and the fourth one is blue. You can see the pin. These are the pins, and these are where it's connected to on the Arduino Uno. So this is my wiring setup. I know it looks more messy, but this is exactly like the one I just showed you. The picture I just showed you earlier is exactly where the pins are going to, is exactly with the one I just showed you earlier. It's basically the same thing, but just more messy. So I'm going to be plugging in the Arduino Uno to the system, and I'm going to be uploading the code. So this is the code we're going to be using for this project. I know most of us won't enjoy typing so much lengthy code, so I've made it easy for us. And you can check the description of this video. You're going to find the full code, which you can copy and paste down to your system, or you can check the pinned comment under the comment section of this video. You're going to find the full code there. So I'm going to be uploading the code now to the Arduino. As you can see, I'm going to be uploading it now. So now we have successfully uploaded the code to the Arduino. Now let us test how our sensor reacts to our touch. So when we tap a correct reading on the touch sensor, it is going to say access granted. But when we tap a wrong reading on the sensor, it's going to say access denied, and it's going to on a red LED. Yeah, and you can check your serial monitor. You're going to see access granted and access denied depending on the rhythm of touch you input on your touch sensor. So I think that's all for this video. I hope this video was of a great help for you, either in your school project or you were just scrolling and you decided to play this video and you decided to want to try this project. I hope you were able to try this project and it works for you through the help of this video. I hope this video really helps you guys. I hope you understand something from this video. And if you have any question on this video or any question in general, you can put it in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be replying to every one of your comments, so put your question under the comment section of this video. And you can also check out my other Arduino project and my other builds on this channel. And subscribing to this YouTube channel is going to be a very sensible decision, because there are going to be a lot of good projects this year. There are going to be a lot of breathtaking projects this year, man. So apart from just Arduino project, there are going to be other projects, because there are just going to be a lot of crazy projects this year. So you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so you won't miss my next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.